In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a mobile website using lovable.dev. Lovable.dev is an AI-powered platform for building web applications. Just navigate to lovable.dev on your browser and you'll be taken to this page. And if you don't have an account, you can sign up. But if you have an account, you can sign in so that you can input your prompts for it to generate your website for you. So I already have an account, and as you can see from my browser, my account has been logged in and my email is being displayed in the top right corner. So I can now start creating a web application using lovable.dev. It's a very wonderful platform for creating websites without technical knowledge. Now I'm going to insert a prompt. I've copied the prompt into my clipboard. I'll just paste it into save our time. So you can see my prompt says, you are a talented web developer. Create a mobile website for a dental clinic that offer dental services to people with dental problems and in need of restorative services. The header should be responsive with hamburger on mobile screen, and the hero section should have a captivating headline, description, and a call to action button. It should also include a testimonial section with a nice carousel component and a contact us section towards the footer area, which with form to collect basic information. So all I just have to do is to click this chat icon. Now, as you can see, lovable.dev is trying to generate our application for us. And here is a page where lovable.dev is going to display our preview. And on the left-hand side is the chat section where you can interact with lovable.dev. As you can see, it's a very wonderful platform. It's first of all initializing the tailwind configuration file, initializing the header component file. This is the hero component file, the testimonial component file. And as you can see, it's just like a professional developer which develop his application stages by stages. So this is the contact us file. And if you go through it, you see it's going to generate everything. And when it's done, it's going to preview it for us here in the preview tab. So by the left-hand side there, you can see it said I've created a modern responsive dental clinic website. So do you see it? How awesome is that? How awesome is that? So this is our website. This is our website. You have a call to action button here. We also have the call to action button here. You see dental care. This is the logo. This is the header section. Your smile, our passion. What a great caption there. So this is our patient, what our patients are saying about us. This is the testimonial. This is the contact us page where people can submit informations. And we also have the footer page, which includes various information, the address, and the opening hours. In fact, lovable.dev is one of, and to show that it's responsive, you can click on this mobile preview mode. We are going to see, you see, because we put in the tag, it already made it responsive for us. That's wonderful. That's wonderful. 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 So this is it. In fact, we can connect it to the backend so that when people submit the form, we store it in the Superbase database. But I will not be covering that now. If you want me to cover that in a later video, comment in the section down below. So as you can see, we can go back. We can go back to the desktop mode. You can view it in full screen. Yes, you can view it in full screen. And also, you can see lovable.dev has already created a web page for you. You may decide to publish it and make it live for everybody to see, or you can just pick the URL here. This is your lovable.dev URL. You can pick the URL. Go to a new tab, paste the URL, and click enter. Just wait a little bit. You're going to see our app. How wonderful it is. How wonderful it is. See our app. See our app. So we have a call to action button. We have a testimonial section. we have a messenger section, and you can prompt it to do so many things for you. So we can go back to lovable.dev. You can come here and say, make the hero background color gradient top to bottom blue variation. So we are going to wait. We are going to see what lovable.dev is going to do for us now. Just wait and see how lovable.dev is going to craft a very powerful landing page for us now. As you can see, it immediately changes it. Let's say the color should be light blue. The color is too deep for me, so I'm going to tell lovable.dev to make it lighter blue for me. And just in a moment, you're going to see. So that's how you can go about it. You can alter the prompts. You can still tell lovable.dev to make it like 3 testimonials per page. They contact us. And if you need any other sections, our services we offer. Okay, let's just do that. We can say ads services section before testimonial. So let's see what lovable.dev is going to do for us now. I want it to add services that we render. Since it's a dental website, we expect it to add services like restorative service, periodontic service, but you can give it the exact prompts you want. Lovable.dev has now included services we offer section: general dentistry, restorative services, cosmetic dentistry, emergency care. Wonderful. So this is how you can use lovable.dev to create a web application. In fact, if you connect the superbase, you can make it a full-fledged full stack application. See you in the next video. Thank you.